Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make mounds in SketchUp. So we have got a lot of bunch of questions that how to make a mound in SketchUp. We want to use it in landscape, we want to do using this and that. So here the video is. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to get yourself a clean plane of a model, because making mounds many times become messy. So for that we are going to use the sandbox tool, which is right over here in SketchUp, which is named as sandbox, which gives us this six type of tools, which is making contour from scratch, then and many drape option and add details. So these are basically the options that you get in the sandbox tool, and you can easily make a mount from that. So first thing that you have to do is you have to select the from scratch option of this, and then just make a grid of whatever length you desire. You can lock the length from the top from the bottom right corner of your screen, which shows you the length, and you just press is enter. After that, this automatically this becomes a group. After that, the second step is that you extrude the surfaces. You have to go inside, just one click, and then you have to press is the say second option, which is add the heights. So for that you can also select a plane, you can also select a hidden line, or you can also select a point in that, and all you have to do is just pull as you want your mount to look like. You can also press it down, you can also press it up, you can also press this up, and you can shape the mound as the way you want. Actually, this extension also helps in many things, that you want to make a roof, or you want to make any parametric object also. But the main reason of showing this is that how to make a mount in SketchUp. So after that, when you make it, you give it a material of green grass. So in landscaping you will get the material of grass, which will take a few seconds, and this we take this as a grass and just put it on this. So your thing is ready. After doing this, you have to do is smooth